Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings, tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode to begin. You'll be asked for your current passcode. Enter it so the phone knows you're authorized. This step proves ownership and prevents remote changes. Once authenticated, options to change the passcode appear. Make sure your device is unlocked and connected to power if battery is low. After you enter the current code, you'll see Change Passcode. Tap it to move to the next step. You tap Change Passcode and then re-enter the current code to confirm. Next, choose passcode options, 4-digit, 6-digit numeric, or custom alphanumeric. Pick based on convenience versus security. Once you choose, type the new passcode slowly and deliberately, then confirm it by entering it a second time. Use a combination that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. After confirmation, the system updates the lock immediately, so make sure you can unlock with the new code. You finish by locking the phone and testing the new passcode right away. Unlock to confirm both the code and biometric settings. If Face ID or Touch ID was disabled, reconfigure them in their menu so they accept the new passcode as backup. If something goes wrong and you can't remember the current code, you'll need to erase or restore the device using Apple ID or recovery mode. This is why regular backups matter. As a tip, document the passcode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.